Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will be showing you how to make cinnamon raisin toast. As you can see, I got my Lanky Box Kitchen shirt. It's kind of hard with the apron on. And then these are all my friends I've gathered. Say hi. Today they will be making the food with us. And we're gonna serve it to our customer, Abel. Yes.
Customer.
The love chunks of the earth. So anyways, let's get started. So first we need this on the wrist because this will help us know when it will pop out. And as you can see, it doesn't move.
I will help you.
Please help me. Anyways, so Foxy. Yeah?
Yeah.
I want you to help get the stuff ready. Okay, sir. Got it. Okay. Boxy. I want you to make sure that the camera doesn't explode this time, okay? Okay, I got it. Hello, guys! Rocky, you are the rock, my man. You need to make sure we get all the ingredients right.
Oh,
wait. I have the idea. Can you set up the toaster? Gotcha. And Ghosty.
Yeah?
I want you to make sure.
Talk like that.
Whoa.
Wow.
Sorry. It's alright. You know what? It's alright. You can just help us.
I will help.
You can also help Foxy get the ingredients. Sure.
I just want to do it.
Let's go. Alright. Lanky Box Kitchen team, go. Okay, so I got the toaster ready. Okay, good job. You're the man. Okay, now let's see what Foxy says. Okay, so I got the bread here. Okay. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, let's see. Ghosty, can you help make sure our customer is alright and entertained? Let's see. Sure. Hi guys, I'm here with my friends. Hey there. It's alright. Your food is coming up. Wow, such a good team we make. Alright. So thank you, Foxy. Go back to your stations. Okay. So let's see. So we got this. Then we got this. Both are going to be useful because we need both. Because A, we're trying to make the toast. We're trying to make it toasted. And maybe if you guys watch this video till the end, you'll probably see why it's better than Lanky Box Kitchen. What do you think? Should this be on the menu for Lanky Box Kitchen? I don't know, but let's go see. So first, we need to open up the bread.
Who is there? Who's there, Foxy?
Yeah.
I told Foxy.
No worries, customer. We're gonna get your toast ready. Oh, it got stuck. Then we got this weird holy one. Oh, holy bread.
I hate a holy bread.
It's alright. It's unique. And being unique is okay. That's what I promote on my channel. Being unique is okay with originality and creativity. So let's see. How long should I put it? Guys, see my watch? How long should I put it? Okay. Alright, guys, we wait right now.
Oh,
So, yeah.
let me see.
We might as well do a little dance.
I'm dancing.
Whoa. Let's see.
The customer's dancing.
Whoa. Yeah, this is gonna be so easy.
Just dancing.
Oh, look, the customer is dancing with us. Okay, let's see. Not ready yet. Well, we might as keep dancing.
I'm just dancing too. You might want to make room for me. I can't even see.
Okay.
Woo! You're making me a little bit.
Okay. Yep, I know, right? Dancing is so fun, guys, because you get to do so much stuff.
I said
Huh? Is the toast ready yet?
is it gonna jump out?
Seriously?
We still have to dance.
So much time wasted.
Let's dance.
I'm not sure, but not right now, alright?
That's creepy. Oh, how
Okay,
did you know
that
money
actually-
to come out?
That actually scared me. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh man, that scared me.
Foxy, did that
Oh my
scare
gosh,
you?
I can't even feel anything.
Foxy got scared from that.
So let's
thing
just take
too.
it out carefully.
Hot.
Now, we must get it ready.
Oh, there's no
What do we need? Well, we obviously need
Steak could come
some
out, but
butter. Okay, thank you, toaster. How hot?
is it hot?
Yep. You guys might not want to touch hot appliances. Do this with a parent or a trusted adult. Don't do anything like this alone.
Or your grandma.
Best to have adult supervision.
Or your dad.
Or else you might set the whole house on fire.
Or your dad too.
Yep. Okay, so first we need to
keep dancing.
This is a butter knife.
Butter knife. Ouch.
A butter knife will actually allow you to spread, while a normal knife will allow to cut. You just do this, but this is to spread. Makes sense as to why the blade is big. So let's see. So let's get our butter here.
See. I keep coming.
So see this? I'm going to hold the bread from its tips so that I don't get any butter on me. No, don't use this.
No. Ow.
Now, the butter part is actually optional, but if you want more flavor, go ahead and try it.
Again.
So see, I'm spreading it. Okay. And there we go. Actually, no, I'm not gonna lick it off.
You're gonna get hurt and cut like my Mikah.
Then we just put this at the sink. And there we go. We got our masterpiece, the one and only, the bread. So here you go, customer. Okay, that was so hard. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and please subscribe for the most part, as it helps support the channel. It helps it grow, it helps it get nurtured, and show to the kids out there. Anyways, bye and peace. Ba-dum-bum.